Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to get video messages from celebrity. If you want to get a video message from any celebrity, for this you just have to install an application from your Google Play Store. Just open your Play Store app and here go to search bar and just search for an application named TrueFab. Just search for it and here the application came. You just have to install this application. Just tap on install. After installation you just have to open this app. Just open it and here
Hi Paris, hi Elizabeth.
and here you just have to type your number and then once you register in this app, then you can get the video message from any of your liked celebrity. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.